Welcome. Today we're diving into the three fundamental sectors of production that shape our global economy. Understanding these sectors is key to grasping how goods and services move from raw materials to final consumers. These sectors define the stages of economic activity, from getting the materials to providing the final service. They are the backbone of economic structure. First up is the primary sector, the starting point for nearly all products. The primary sector involves extracting or harvesting raw materials directly from the earth. Think agriculture, mining, and fishing. These activities provide the essential resources needed for all other sectors and play a massive role in global trade. Next, we move to the secondary sector, where raw materials get their first transformation. This sector includes manufacturing, construction, and processing industries, where raw goods are converted into finished products or components. The core function here is adding value by transforming materials through labor and machinery, such as building cars or refining oil. Finally, we arrive at the tertiary sector, often called the service sector. The tertiary sector focuses on providing services rather than tangible goods. This includes everything from healthcare and education to retail and finance. In most developed economies, the service sector dominates, reflecting a shift towards high-skill, knowledge-based jobs. It's vital to recognize that these three sectors are not isolated. They are deeply interconnected. The primary sector supplies the secondary, and the secondary and tertiary sectors both rely on each other for materials, services, and distribution. As economies develop, there's a natural shift from primary to secondary and eventually to a dominance by the tertiary sector. To wrap up, let's briefly review the three production sectors. Remember, primary is extraction, secondary is manufacturing, and tertiary is services. Together, these three sectors form the complex and dynamic structure of our modern global economy. Thank you for watching.